How to clear cache on Snapchat on iPhone. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache on Snapchat on iPhone. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we head on to the actual Snapchat application, please make sure you visit your App Store or your Play Store to check if your Snapchat is up to date. If not, just click on Update so that you will have the latest features. Now let's just head on and open Snapchat right here. And from the camera page, let's just click on the profile icon at the top left corner. After that, click on the settings icon at the top right corner. And what you want to do is just scroll down a bit and head on to the account action section right here. And as you can see the clear cache option. Just click on that and just click on clear. So clearing the cache will mean that it will all be cleared, and Snapchat will also restart after you clear all your cache. Take note that your memories backup won't be deleted, so it's just okay to clear all the cache, to just reset the internal settings and all the temporary or unnecessary files within Snapchat. So just click on clear if you want to clear all your cache. The next way is actually also to go to the settings, go to general, iPhone storage, and you can also clear the cache through the settings app on iPhone. So to do that, just go to this page and click on Snapchat right here and click on upload. So uploading the app will also clear the cache on Snapchat on your iPhone. So that is how you can basically clear your cache on Snapchat. So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.